इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं मैनचेस्टर के डाउनटाउन में, जहां सिटी सेंटर में आईसीसी ने यानी वर्ल्ड कप की मैनेजमेंट ने यहाँ एक एहतमाम किया है, जहां पर जो लोकल्स हैं वो आके मैचेस देख सकते हैं। 3 दिन का ये फेस्टिवल है जो मैनचेस्टर सिटी में हो रहा है, फ्राइडे सैटरडे एंड संडे। और उनका ये कहना है कि ये जो फेस्टिवल है ख़ास तौर पर पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के मैच के लिए उन्होंने मुनक़्क़िद किया है, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं और यहाँ आना चाहते हैं और गेम्स देखना चाहते हैं। तो मेरे पीछे आप देख सकते हैं कि बड़ी स्क्रीन है, बहुत से लोग बैठे हुए हैं और आसपास खाने के स्टॉल्स हैं। स्ट्रीट क्रिकेट का एक स्टेडियम है और यहाँ पर लोगों के लिए बहुत सी डिफरेंट चीज़ें जो कि वो यहाँ आकर कर सकते हैं। तो ये है मैनचेस्टर डाउनटाउन, जहाँ पर आईसीसी वर्ल्ड कप 2019 का जोशो खरोश अरूज पर है। We have the biggest man in cricket here today. It's called Scott. So how are you enjoying the World Cup so far?
Yeah, it's going really well. Lots of people around. It's a great atmosphere. Yeah, I think it's going really, really good.
Okay, other than England, which team are you supporting?
Oh, if I had to support a team, probably Pakistan, because I know that the fact that they are extremely competitive and they are a very good team, you know, they've got a lot going for them. So yeah,
All right, awesome. Thank you so much. This is good. How excited are you about India and Pakistan game?
Of course, very excited. Yes, looking forward to India winning.
Do you think cricket brings Indians and Pakistanis together, and then even whoever wins, they celebrate it together?
Yes, I think the game of, and in sports, I think the game of cricket brings people together. I know, definitely, no two ways about it. Here, I don't think people see that much of a rivalry between the two countries. I think, you know, people see that as, at one point, it is a, you know, single place. So, and I have a lot of Pakistani friends, you know, so if you go to Rushhome here, you know, they call them Indian restaurants, but you know, they're all run by Pakistanis. I think that rivalry is there. I think the particularly younger generation, they don't see that difference anymore.
All right, okay.
Yeah.
Well, good luck Team India, good luck Pakistan,
Absolutely.
and good luck Cricket World Cup.
Of course.
All right, thank you
Team
so
India.
much.